What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well in a great spirits. Today is an amazing day. First of all, welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for subscribing. Please take a moment, if you'd be so kind, add to like and subscribe at the end of this video if you like it, and hang on to the journey because we're gonna have so much fun. But before I go even further, today we are doing it because, get ready, drag racing season is back. The Black Mamba, we're gonna get it set up for you today. I'm gonna show you step by step what I do to set up for the drag strip, weight reduction, putting on the drag pack, the whole nine. It's so much fun. It's just gonna look great with her drag pack on. Can't wait. And I'll just show you guys, we'll do a time-lapse video of how quickly and easy it is. It takes me about an hour at most, but I can't wait. We're actually on 93 now. We have 5 miles left on empty. We're trying to drain it down to very zero before we put the E85 in and get ready. Take her back to the strip. Also, quick announcement, if you don't know, we are going to also be at the drag strip at ATCO this weekend. You might see it after, before we go. We're going to be there this Saturday. I believe it's March 9th. We're going to be there. Come race me. Come see me. Come see what we run. Hopefully break 10s. We'll try. Please, let's try it. And big, huge announcement. We're going to have a subscriber meet. Yes, March 30th. Information description below. March 30th, Gateway Classic Cars in West Deptford, where we had it back in August when we had 25,000 subs. Hopefully we're at 50K. We're trying. We go up, we go down. We're trying to get there. We'd love to have you. We're going to have cars and coffee. Bring your car. We have my car, other YouTubers there. We're going to have food trucks. We're going to have a great time. There's also there's cars that you can buy. So definitely come see the Black Mamba. But without further ado, let's start her up. Let's back her up and let's get her ready for the drag strip. First, a little cold start for 93. Last time for a while. And yes, we are going to have an eventual driveway here with the awesome garage. Just got to keep working hard and hopefully get more subscribers and more views, and we'll get there. But for now, alright, so let's I'll show you how much we have till empty, because I'm trying to get all the 93 out of there. What are those? Alright, so as you can see here, we'll start her up, and we have I just passed it. 5 miles to empty. You can see that there. We're gonna try to we'll get her all let me see if I can get to. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do, but anyways, let's go. Trip, there we go. Trip, info, fuel. You think I know this by now? I've had the car long enough. So we have, yeah, well, whatever. It's 5 miles empty. I'm wasting time. Let's get this car set for the drag strip. All right, so we open the hood. First thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna take off the strut tower, the beautiful JLT, you know, engine cover. It's dirty right now, and then we're gonna remove the interior and then put on the drag pack. Very simple, very easy. And then at the end, we'll put in the E85 and the tune. But let's get started. You can watch the time lapse, but I'll jump in from step to step. Okay, so very quickly, remove the strut tower, remove the engine cover. Check the catch cans. I did that before the racetrack. We'll empty them out. But the engine's pretty much done. That's pretty much, I said about, you know, a few pounds there. You can see it right here. Strut tower, engine cover. Of course, we have the drag pack here and our jack and whatnot. But let's get to the interior next. One of my favorite things about the interior, which is super easy. What are those? I just like saying that. But what's great about these Mustang interiors, okay, and this is where we have our beautiful racing scissor. So stay there. Delicious E85. It's very simple. I've taken these out enough where I literally just pop it out. I'm doing this one-handed, so it takes skill. And not really. You just gotta know where the tabs are. But these are out now, so you can see those. So, and then the rear seats are pretty easy. I also take out the floor mats, by the way. Floor mats are important. These are easy too. I might take this. I'll take this out the day before the race because I actually need to see for passengers till then. But we'll take that out. Very simple. There's little hex bolts in there. Just take it out. There, 4 of them. Super easy. Just be careful unplugging it. Of course, my you know, Pimp My Ride floor mats. If you guys are racers at the racetrack, they don't allow loose change or floor mats or nothing. So that's important as well. Dude, I'm so excited, guys. You have no idea. So we're gonna open the trunk here, get the stuff out the trunk, and get this floor mat out of here. That's the plan there. So you can see, this is a labor of love, trust me. And it's kind of fun to go back and forth with your stuff. Okay, here, I don't think we have anything in the trunk really. I'll take this speaker out too. That's later. I'll take out the air compressor. But again, she's starting to, she can tell. The Black Mamba knows when it's time to race, so. Cheesy, but I know, it's a lot of fun. And this is an easy peasy thing as well. Just unscrew this. And you're good to go. And it pops up. We're just saving weight. Of course, the most important weight saving you can do is yourself, but I like my cheese sticks. No, I'm just kidding. We're trying to get in shape and do the same thing. But this is a pretty cool shot here. Just pause and take a moment. Looks kind of crazy, but anyways, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. I am going to just bolt out the rear top seats, and then we'll get the drag pack on and go. Again, I'll take this out probably the day before the race. This is a little bit about a week beforehand. Take those out, I'll put on a drag pack, and we're done. We're done. Oh yeah, 85. I'll pour the 85 in a quick tune. All right, enough of that. Let's go. Okay, so now that we have the interior gone, some of that, we're gonna do the drag pack now. So I moved the car over. These wheels are surprisingly super heavy, and I'll take this out, like I said, the day before the track because I need it. But you save about 50 pounds. We probably saved a total about 70 pounds so far. Again, I'm still gonna take out the subwoofer and the speaker as we get closer to the race, but I kind of on a limited time crunch here. I can't wait to see what this car looks like with the drag pack. Here's the stuff we have so far. But yeah, but it's drag pack time. Oh, what I wanted to show you, this was very important. I had to get new lugs. Again, these are donated by Speed Addict. Check out his channel. But you see the lugs we had, they were kind of sorry. This focuses or not, but let me see if it wants to focus on this. But anyways, let's see if it focuses. All right, so it's not coming the way I want it to, but all right, there we go. So these lugs were like a pain in the butt to get in, so we went with this new set here. Ordered them from AmericanMuscle.com. I still got my torque wrench there. We will torque these down. But this set is open lug, and I went open lug this time. Nice new set, and we have these nice things here. We have spacers here, so we'll put all this jazz on there. They sent us these, but we don't need the stems because they're already in. A lot of old school racers will put chalk here to see if there's any tire movement from the rim. I might do that, but for now, we'll check back in with you once we put on the drag pack. This is one of my favorite parts, so let's go. All right, we're back. Can I just say, get open lug. Wow, that was like a million times easier than closed end. I mean, I know there's different people out there, but man, those open lugs are like a snap. I hate closed lug. But anyways, look at that meat. I'll rinse them off, don't worry, wait till the end. But that beef. Alright, let's see how she looks. Just with one wheel done. Ah, daddy likey. Alright, let's finish the rest. Okay, before I put this front skinny back on, can I just show you guys the amazing work custom coatings Joe did? Like, look at this caliper, guys. It looks super, super nice. Oh man. Beautiful. I know I'll get those rotors changed. There's a lot of scorching on there. Must have been doing some burnouts. Who knows? Man, it looks good. Anyways, had to stop and appreciate. Uh-oh. We're getting there. Amazing. She looks amazing. I can't wait to rip her down the drag strip. Wow. There she is in all her glory. Beautiful, guys. Look at this. Well, that's how she's gonna look. I'll come back when we have both sides done, and I'll rinse off these, you know, this drag pack here. But definitely, and you can see the other side is still not done yet. But we'll do the other side real quick, put the 85 in, and just pray for good weather on Saturday. And we're gonna see you at the drag strip. 150 foot-pounds, I do torque down the lugs too, because that's forward spec, and you know, but man, she looks mean. Okay, so we are done. The car is ready for the drag strip. Well, not really just yet, but I'll just explain to you what I mean by not done just yet. We're letting it idle just a little bit to burn the rest of the gas out. Now we're gonna pour in the 85 in the tune. I'm gonna rinse off the drag pack, clean it up from, you know, sitting for a while for the last 3 months. But she's done. We'll put I put the front about 50 psi. The rear I leave it about 20 when I go to the drag strip. We do have the spacers on there, open lugs. It's all there. Link in the description for everything. Not for the lugs, the race stars we put in, and she looks sick. For right now, before I go to the closing shot, I'm just gonna rinse off the tires and then some glamour shots, if you will. All right, y'all. I love it. Okay, we are officially at, let's see, 1 mile till empty. You can see there. Let's see this here. So we'll wait till that gets to 0, and we will pour in our 85. Well, that'll about wrap it up. I just want to thank you so much for hanging on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Ask any questions you have below. I'd be happy to comment them to you. But as you can see, she's officially ready for the drag strip.
I love it.